Welcome back, you guys. This is Riley here with Learn With Me, and I have got another stellar review here for you. And this time it's a knife sharpener that I got off of Amazon. Now, in this demonstration, I'm going to try to showcase it a bit. But if in the end, if you decide that you like the knife, I do have an affiliate link in the bio that you can use if you want to find this item. But if you guys are looking for me to test out any other type of items or anything in particular on these type of devices, please let me know. That being said, I'm showcasing several knives that I own in my kitchen that have all gotten increasingly dull. And in case you didn't know, if you are cutting with a dull knife, it is technically more dangerous than cutting with a sharp knife, just for the sheer amount of effort that you're exhausting to try to use it. So you're inherently using it inefficiently. As you can see here, these are the 4 knives that I'm going to be sharpening today. So the goal here with this process is that you're going to want to repair, sharpen, and polish your blades. That's what you see as I'm holding up the device itself. In regard to the process that I'm going to use with each knife, I'm going to pass by each area 5 times. So I'm going to go through the repair area 5 times. I'm going to go through the sharpen area 5 times, and I'm going to go through the polish area 5 times. And I might even go over it a few more times throughout, but I might go through that, redo the whole process as opposed to just doing it at random. The goal with this process is to see how much more sharp my knives are. My knives recently have been fairly dull, so as you can see here, just the fact that they can cut through this lemon just pretty quickly makes me feel very confident that this device is working pretty well. Here you can even see what I'm talking about as I'm trying to use my dull knife to try to cut through these processes, and it's taking a bit more effort than the other one that I have already sharpened. So I'm going to go ahead and begin sharpening the new knife after I clean it off, and we will see how much sharper it is now. I also wanted to take a moment to put out the following disclaimer. Make sure that you are cleaning all surfaces, including the knives, before and after you are sharpening your knives. You don't want any of your food contaminated with any little piece of metal or anything. And I know I didn't show that off when I was doing the lemon, but I want to make sure that at least you guys are taken care of. I just wanted to take a moment to thank all my subscribers and viewers out there. I couldn't do this without you guys, and feel free to show me some love in the comments, or if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm here for you. Otherwise, just if you're new here, subscribe. And like I said, if you want to show some love in the comments, you sure can. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Back to the commentary about the mechanism here. One thing that you can see here is that I have a firm grip on the device with my left hand, and this device is very sturdy, and it's fairly cheap. It has a 10-year warranty on it, and I truly believe that it's worth the cost that you will pay for it. Like I said before, I'm going to leave the link to this product in the description, but if you have any questions, please let me know. And now I'm going to show you me sharpening my knife. That's just one of my personal knives. This one has gotten fairly dull over the years, but I believe that I can really bring it back with this sharpener here. Like we talked about before, you're going to go through the repair side first, then the sharpen, and then the polish side. 5 times each, but here I may be doing it a few more times each. But as you can see, this is a better shot and a better angle at the process. Now, as you just saw, I went back and forth. You're not supposed to go back and forth, but I just was just messing around. But always practice safety whenever using sharp objects and in the kitchen. And like I said, I've had this knife and it's been dull for several months, but I'm just now getting around to doing it. And as you can see, me testing it out, I'm barely applying any pressure, and I'm just cutting straight through the plastic. You can do this process as much as you feel you need to. I would just recommend that you still practice good safety protocols and just try to stick to the routine as best you can and just go through it. If you don't feel like it's sharp enough, just go back through. And if anybody has any recommendations or if they have any practices or things that they do with these type of devices, please let me know. I'm open to interpretation and I don't know everything. So I am perfectly okay with updating my videos and redoing videos to reflect the correct way of doing things. It's like they say, it takes a community or a village to raise a child. Like, it takes an entire community and village to create a good society. So we can, if we hold each other accountable and if we help each other out, we should be able to figure out these type of things, and we should know better practices with using different items and different products just because we are helping each other stay on top of things. Yeah, you guys, as you can see, I am playing with this plastic, just trying to showcase how sharp my knife is now. And the knife has been pretty sharp, and I am utmost satisfied when it comes to this product. But yeah, I'm going to try to go over this knife a few more times just to make sure that it's good and sharp so that when I'm doing my hobby work, it will be ready. But if you guys have any suggestions about this product or if you guys have any experience with it, please let me know. If anyone has any questions or any different formats that they'd like me to do as far as videos or any type of improvements, please let me know as well. Don't be afraid to leave me a comment or even just say hey. But I'm happy about my knife, how it's going right now, and the future of working with this product. So you guys stay breezy.